So today our topic is ES6 classes in JavaScript. So in this video I will only work on the app.js file, and as you can see I have already created index.html file, added some templates string, and also added the script tag to link app.js to the index.html. With all that, let's create a class human. So if we have prior knowledge in any of the language, Java, C#, or even PHP, then it will be very easy to understand. So let's create a constructor. Let's pass two parameters, first name and last name. Let's create a class variable. Now you can use this anywhere in the class. This represent the if I write this dot first name, then this first name will be class variable. So if I write this dot first name equal to first name, means I am assigning this first name to the class variable first name. Hope that makes sense. So similarly, this dot last name equal to last name. Let's create an object human obj equal to new human. Let's pass the footage area. Let's console log this object. Let's open browser, open developer tools. Let's refresh, and as you can see, with first name and last name there is also a proto. Now this proto represent the prototype. Every function in the class will be added in this section. So as of now there is only one function which is the constructor. So let's create another function which is greeting, which will return some backticks, hello, this dot first name and this dot last name. So let's call the function. Let's refresh. As you can see, it shows hello Tridhi Bhattacharya. So let's see the object. So as you can see in the proto section, the greeting method have already added. So let's create another function, calculate age. For that we need date of birth. Let pass that 6/1998. Actually this format is date, month and year. So let's create a class variable birthday. Format this into date format because this DOB is in string format. We have to convert it into date format. So pass that DOB. Now return to the calculate age. So there are tons of methods which can calculate the age. So I generally use this method. So const not console, const diff date dot now minus this dot birthday dot get time. Now this diff in terms of millisecond we have to convert it into date format. So for that I have to create another variable age date, and which will be new date, pass in the diff. Now we'll return math dot abs math dot absolute, as I don't want negative value. So age date dot get etc full year minus to subtract 1970. Let's calculate age. Hopefully we'll get output. Error occurred, let's say in 15. So what's happening? Oh sorry, there should be return. Now let's refresh this. As you can see, we are getting 22. Now this is all about normal function. So let's create a static function. So as you can see, there is the static method are same for all the object. Any object I can create from this class have the same static method. So let's create a static method which will be, let's say, any random. Let's say add two numbers, which would pass x and y and return x plus y. Now let's call this function with the help of human object. So add two numbers 1 2. So it should show an error. Yes, it shows that, sorry, it shows that add two numbers is not a function because it's not a property of the object, it is a property of the class. So we have to, instead of using the object name, we have to use the class name. So if I write human dot two number, it will, as you can see, we get 3. So thank you for watching this video. Happy learning.